scan this. Sovi is here. Let's level up. Chemical kinetics problems are easy. We must find the concentration that makes our reaction rate exactly 16 times faster than before. Start by looking at the reaction order provided in the problem. Since this decomposition is second order with respect to HI, the rate is proportional to the concentration of HI squared. We want the rate to increase by a factor of 16. Because the rate depends on the square of the concentration, we must find the square root of that 16 increase. The square root of 16 is 4. Multiply the initial 0.20 molarity by 4 to get 0.80 molar, which is B. Well done! Scan the code to learn with Sovi. Avoid rushing and watch signs. Trust given data and check your steps carefully.